The rise of AI is accelerating. From ChatGPT to self-driving cars, AI is reshaping our world. But the big question is, will AI replace humans by 2030? Brief history of AI advancements, from early automation to present-day deep learning and neural networks. Overview of the key topics to be covered in this video. Chapter 1. How AI is taking over jobs. Discussion on automation in industries like manufacturing, robotic assembly lines, predictive maintenance, customer service, chatbots, AI voice assistants, transportation, self-driving cars, AI-driven logistics, finance, algorithmic trading, fraud detection. Real-world examples of AI replacing human roles. Amazon's warehouses, self-checkout systems, AI in legal research. Statistical insights on job displacement projections by 2030. Chapter 2. The jobs AI cannot replace. Explanation of uniquely human skills that AI struggles with. Creativity, writers, artists, musicians. Emotional intelligence, therapists, teachers, healthcare workers. Strategic decision-making. Business leaders, policymakers. Case studies of industries that will always need human input. The role of AI as an assistant rather than a replacement in creative and strategic fields. Chapter 3. Ethical and social implications of AI replacing humans. Ethical dilemmas in AI-driven automation. Bias in AI, job losses, data privacy concerns. The risks of mass unemployment and the rise of AI-driven inequality. Government policies and universal basic income, UBI, as a possible solution. Expert opinions on AI regulation and responsible development. Chapter 4. Will AI become self-aware? Explanation of artificial general intelligence. AGI versus narrow AI. The possibility of AI surpassing human intelligence, the singularity theory. The difference between AI replacing tasks versus replacing entire human roles. Philosophical debate, can AI truly think or just simulate intelligence? Chapter 5. The future of AI and human collaboration. The rise of AI augmentation, how humans and AI will work together, not against each other. AI as a tool to enhance productivity rather than replace workers. The skills of the future. How people can prepare for an AI-driven world. Predictions for 2030 and beyond. What AI is likely to achieve. AI is not the end of human jobs. It's a shift toward a new era of work. What do you think? Will AI take over completely, or will we find new ways to work alongside it? Comment below.